स्पोर्ट्स वीडियो नंबर 2। क्या बोल रहा है? इन खो खो हाउ मेनी प्लेयर्स आर इन ए टीम एंड हाउ मेनी आर ऑन द फील्ड ड्यूरिंग ए गेम। खो खो में टोटल 12 प्लेयर्स इन ए टीम, टोटल 12 प्लेयर्स जो होते हैं वो टीम में होते हैं, और 9 प्लेयर्स जो होते हैं वो ऑन द फील्ड होते हैं। क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट, in a standard Kho-Kho match, each team consists of 12 players. However, only 9 players take the field for a contest. The chasing team sends 9 players onto the field. 8 sit in the central lane. One is the active chaser, while the defending team sends runners in batches of 3. The remaining 3 squad members are substitutes. Kho-Kho is a traditional Indian tag sport that tests speed, agility and tactical thinking. Next, the first known rules of Kabaddi were framed in which Indian state? Maharashtra. The first known modern rules of Kabaddi were framed in Maharashtra around 1921-1923 by the Deccan Gymkhana of Pune and the Hind Vijay Gymkhana of Baroda, Gujarat or Maharashtra region. In 1923, these rules were published and used during the All India Kabaddi tournament. The Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India was later founded in 1973 to regulate the sport. While Kabaddi was ancient roots across India, known as Chedu Guru, Hututu, the standardized competitive format originated in Maharashtra. Next, which of the following statements about judo is correct? Introduced in 1882 by Jigoro Kano in Japan. Judo is introduced in 1882 by Jigoro Kano in Japan. Statement is correct. Judo, the gentle way, was created as a physical, mental, and moral pedagogy in Japan by Jigoro Kano in 1882. He evolved it from Jujutsu. Statement D is incorrect because Judo became an official Olympic sport for men in 1964 Tokyo Games and for women in 1992. The first national championship in India was held in 1966. Mary Com's most recent international gold medal was won at which tournament? President's Cup Indonesia. Based on the timeline Mary Com's active career phases, her significant recent international gold came at the 23rd President's Cup held in Labuan Bajo, Indonesia in July 2019. She won gold in the 51 kg category. While she is a legend with 6 World Championship golds, she did not compete win gold at the Hangzhou Asian Games 2023 or Commonwealth Games Birmingham 2022 due to injury trial issues during the twilight of her career. At the 1960 Rome Olympics, Milkha Singh finished fourth with a timing of 45.6 seconds. At the 1960 Rome Olympics, Milkha Singh, the Flying Sikh, finished fourth in the 400-meter final with a timing of 45.6 seconds, manually timed as 45.6, electronically 45.73. He broke the existing Olympic record but still missed the bronze medal by a fraction of a second, 0.1 second, in a photo finish race won by Otis Davis. This remains one of the most heartbreaking yet celebrated moments in Indian athletic history. Next. Where is the Dr. S.P. Mukherjee Swimming Stadium located? New Delhi. The Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee Swimming Pool Complex is located in New Delhi. It was originally built for the 1982 Asian Games and was significantly renovated for the 2010 Commonwealth Games. It is a world-class aquatic complex owned by the Sports Authority of India. It features an Olympic-sized racing pool, a diving pool, and a warm-up pool, hosting major national and international swimming events. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Enjoy the process. The journey is more beautiful than destination.